Look at this, y'all. It's just like its shell is coming off. I tried picking it up a while ago and it started walking. That stupid little ant. There we go. Oh my God, that stupid little ant. Ant, get off of him. Look at that, look how cool that is. That's so awesome. I was just riding my bike around and then I see this. And I try picking it up and it starts moving, it's walking. Get it walking towards me. That's kind of creepy. It's like an alien. Why is it walking toward me like that? How creepy could you possibly be? Oh, yeah. I'm sorry, buddy, that I'm interrupting you, but I gotta get this quick video. Is that alright, buddy? Probably mad that I touched him when he was trying to shed. Because if you mess with animals when they're trying to shed, they're not happy when they see you trying to do that. They get mad. Look how creepy that is. Lordy mercy. Just one more minute, buddy. Just one more minute. This is creepy as crap. I'm sorry, I'll leave you alone. Just give me a minute. Okay? Stop walking at me like that. It's like a zombie like coming out of the ground trying to kill me. That's what you gotta watch out for. People who don't know how to drive. They might go over and hit you. And I'll be sad for you and all you. But especially him. He's a good dude. And y'all are trying to kill him. Here we go. Just 20 more seconds. Subscribe, like, turn on post notifications. I'll see you on the next video. Until next time.